In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to your ClickUp Workspace. This integration lets you send and read emails directly from ClickUp, which is really helpful if you manage a lot of communication around tasks and projects. I'll walk you through the full setup, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open ClickUp and head to the list view where you usually see your tasks. Make sure you're in the correct space or folder where you want to work, because this is where you'll be using email inside ClickUp. Next, look towards the top of the screen for the More option. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a similar menu icon. Click on that to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. From this expanded menu, choose Apps. The Apps section is where ClickUp keeps optional features and integrations that you can turn on or configure for your workspace. Inside Apps, scroll through the available options until you find Gmail Email. This is the integration that allows ClickUp to connect directly to your Gmail account. Click on Gmail Email to open its settings. On the Gmail Email page, click on Configure. This will move you into the Setup flow where you'll link your Google account and give ClickUp the right permissions to work with your email. You'll see a button that says Sign in with Google. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a Google login pop-up will appear. If your browser blocks pop-ups by default, you may need to allow pop-ups for ClickUp before you see it. In the Google window, you'll be asked to choose which Google account you want to connect. Select the Gmail account that you use for your work, or the one you want to use inside ClickUp. After selecting the account, click Continue. Google will now show you the permissions that ClickUp is requesting. These usually include the ability to send emails, read emails, and access basic account information, which is necessary for the integration to function. On this permission screen, click on Select All for the access you want to give ClickUp. If you don't grant the required permissions, some email features inside ClickUp may not work correctly. Once you've reviewed and selected the access, click Continue again to confirm and finalize the connection on Google's side. After a moment, you'll be taken back to ClickUp. You should now see a confirmation screen. Click on Done to complete the setup. At this point, your Gmail account is connected to your ClickUp Workspace, and you can start sending and